Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake chocolate peanut butter pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. To make the crust, add the Oreos into a Ziploc bag. You can use any crisp chocolate cookies you like. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then crush them using a rolling pin until it forms fine crumbs. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl and add in the melted butter and mix them until they're well combined. Pour the mixture into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan and press the mixture all over the inside. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. To make the filling, in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, peanut butter, and vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in the powdered sugar and mix it in until it's combined. Then in a separate bowl, add in the cold heavy cream and whip it until it forms soft peaks. Add the whipped cream into the rest of the mixture and fold it in just until it's combined and there are no more streaks of white. Pour the filling into the chilled crust. Spread it out until it's even. Wrap it in plastic wrap. And place it into the fridge for about an hour until it's cold and firm. To make the ganache topping, add the chopped milk chocolate into a heat-proof bowl and pour over the hot, heavy cream. Let it sit for 2 minutes to let the hot, heavy cream melt the chocolate. And stir it until it's combined and smooth. If there are still lumps when the mixture is cooled, you can heat it up in the microwave to melt the lumps. Then remove the pie from the fridge. Pour the ganache on top. Spread it out. Wrap it in plastic wrap. And place it back into the fridge for another hour until the ganache is set, and keep it refrigerated until you're nearly ready to serve it. Then remove the pie from the fridge. And you can garnish it however you like. I'm adding whipped cream, shaved chocolate, and halved peanut butter cups. Then just cut it up and serve. And that's how to make a no-bake chocolate peanut butter pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.